What's cracking? What's rolling? It's your boy Swipe Bike 813. I'm back again with another video. Finna show y'all this time how to change the oil on a Kawasaki Bayou. This one being a 96, but I'm sure they all the same. 220 Kawasaki Bayou. What you're gonna need is a 17 millimeter wrench or 11 by 16 socket. I think you can use that too for the drain plug. Then for the oil filter, you're gonna need an 8 millimeter wrench. You also gonna need 10 by 40 oil. So let's get into it. Show y'all how to change this oil filter real quick. I actually have a brand new filter in here already, so I'm gonna put this back in. I was just really showing y'all how to change the oil filter. This is an 8 millimeter right here. This is what you're gonna need. So yeah, that's pretty much it right there. That's how you change the oil on a 96 Kawasaki Bayou 220. And this is pretty much everything you'll need for that job. If this video helped you and you want to see more like it, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Swipe Bike 813. I'm gone.